Okay, y'all, I'm like 5 shots in, and I'm making my lemongrass paste. Yes, Asians, we like to sit on the ground because it's more comfortable. We're comfortable, okay? This is part of our culture. Right, baby? Still on YouTube. I know. Jesus, Kylie. I have some galanga right here, and I'm just roughly chopping it so I can put it inside my mortar and pesto. Look at that, how beautiful it is. The sliced up kaffir lime leaves, some garlic, dried pepper, and chopped lemongrass. And we have to smash this all up and turn it into a paste. This is gonna be really good because everything is from scratch and it's fresh lemongrass. It smells so good. Trust me, y'all. Frozen lemongrass is not the same. Fresh lemongrass is where it's at. Alright. Then we're gonna smash this up. Look at all my mess on the floor. So my cousin think he know what the fuck he doing. Trying to take over me. I don't left you for 1 second. Look, we got some oysters. It's already done. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my aunt is tired of your ass. She's tired of your ass telling her to do what the fuck to do. Your mama can't do everything for you. I'm sweating, bro. Doing this shit for like 40 minutes. The rock kind of the mortar pestle would be like so much better, but this is what my aunt has, so I have to improvise. Now we're gonna add the mudfish and cream and turmeric powder. I had to get this from home. Add 1 big spoon and 2 because I'm making a lot. Then a little bit of turmeric powder. It don't matter how much you add. It's all up to you. Oh shit. Okay, that should be good right there. It's perfect. Beautiful colors. And then tamarind powder. Tamarind soup mix. 2 different kind. It don't matter. It tastes the same. This one is like a little bit more brighter than the other one. Mix it all up. Alright, time to chop up my spare ribs. It's all chopped up. Now, it's time to get down. I don't waste no paste, y'all. None. We're not wasting any paste. All right, in the pot. Ribs in. Cover it with the paste. Coat it all over. Add some water in here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Coat it. So beautiful. Bam. A little bit of sugar. Chicken broth. Fish sauce. A lot of kids here. Add the whole thing. Eggplants and jalapeno in after 30 minutes. Added more water in. And all done.